marshmallows in the bowl. That's a lot of marshmallows. That's 100. And then put the peanuts in the bowl. Now put the coconut in the bowl. It's a bit sticky. Now give it a mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing. Mixing here. Mixing there. Mixing everywhere. They're fun. Now I have melted chocolate. I have some chocolate. Now the chocolate is melted. We have to put the greenies in it. And then I mix. Now we give it a mix.
A few moments later.
It's getting a little bit melty in the chocolate, like also the marshmallows are. Now I put it in some containers or a baking tray. Up. Then like that. Now I'm gonna fish for 2-3 hours. Now it's done. Now it's time to eat it. It's delicious. It's yummy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.